I do my meal prep. I like to meal prep for 425 calories, and I do that 425 calories, 2 eggs, 2 slices of bacon, 1 slice of my organic bread, and 1 cup of coffee with about maybe 1.5 ounces of creamer. I know that's bad, but I enjoy it. Food prep mean in 2023? To me, without food prep, bodybuilding can't happen. Number 2, what are the best foods for a meal prepping? Well, I think the best foods are any food that you like, because any food can be put in the microwave and warmed up. So that's a very simple answer. Number 3, how do I meal prep for a week in 2023? Well, folks, I wouldn't meal prep for a week because I wouldn't want to eat it after 7 days in the refrigerator. I think meal prep for past 3 days is foolish. So let's meal prep for 3 days. Question number 4. Can I meal prep for 5 days? That's a silly question, but these questions are asked, so we're going to answer them. No, 3 days is plenty. Unless you're going to prep 5 days, put them in the freezer, and then take a chance of having freezer burned. No, I want my food fresh as possible. Question number 5. What container should I use for meal prep in 2023? I like to use 6x6 2-inch plastic meal prep containers because they're easy. Number 6, are plastic containers okay for meal prep in 2023? Yes, they are. Number 7, how does food last in meal prep containers in 2023? Well, these questions are pretty much mundane and the same. 3 days. 3 days is plenty. Anything after that could sour. Can you reuse meal prep containers? Only if you wash them. Number 8, Number 9, if a glass or plastic better for meal prep? Well, that's your decision. Glass is a lot more expensive, so you'll have to buy a lot of them. That could get expensive. Anyway, not really. Plastic's great. Number 10, what can I meal prep for a week in 2023? They've asked that question twice. All right, we don't do it. 3 days, that's it. As long as we can go with meal prep.